Hello and welcome back to How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix search bar on your TikTok app. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Are you trying to find a particular video on TikTok but the search bar is not working? Well, in that case, the first thing to do is to make sure that you check for TikTok servers. You can use a third-party site in order to check your TikTok server. Simply open up a web browser on your iPhone or any other mobile device you are using and go to the search box. Search for downdetector.com and search. Once you end up in the main homepage of Down Detector, simply go ahead and tap on the search button at the top right and type in TikTok in the search bar. Once you do that, it will show you if TikTok is going through any kind of a problem. Once you check for it, you'll be able to know what is going wrong with your TikTok servers. If there is any problem from the TikTok side, you don't have to do anything since server-related issues cannot be addressed on your end. All you need to do is to wait it out until your servers start working again. The next thing to do is to restart TikTok. Simply force close your TikTok application if it is running on the background. You can swipe away any kind of an application that's running on your background right now. And soon after you do that, the next thing to do is to simply disable your Wi-Fi network, wait for a couple of seconds and turn it on back again. And once it is connected, go open up your TikTok app and see if that fixes the issue by tapping the search icon at the top right and try searching for something. If that still does not work for you, check and see if there is any updates available for your TikTok app. Go and tap Open App Store and in the search box, type in TikTok. Once you find the application, tap on the update button if available to download the latest updates for your TikTok application. Once the update is completed, go back to TikTok app and see if that fixes your search issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you are not being able to search any kind of a video or content on TikTok. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.